Fried calamari or squid is such a popular dish in cafes. This video shows how easy it is to prepare your own. Small stuffed squid bake in less than an hour, and flour-dusted rings with or without pepper or chilli take just a few minutes. Medium-sized fish yield the most tender rings. Cleaning squid or calamari is messy. Ensure that you are near to a sink or large bowl of salted water with a work surface that can be easily washed down. It is a good idea to wear disposable gloves, as some people find handling squid makes their fingers itch. Rinse the fish before starting to get rid of any seaweed or sand. Grab the tentacles in your right hand and give a good twist and tug. They will come away with the guts attached. Cut the tentacles just below the ink sac, which is clearly visible as a purple bulge. Holding the tentacles, press the bunch away from you. The beak or anus will pop out. Cut it away and discard the anus, guts and ink sac unless you want to use the black ink to make a risotto or wish to stew the squid in its own ink, in which case drop the ink sac into a small bowl. Rinse the tentacles in the bowl of salt water. Put your hand inside the hood and draw out the cartilaginous shield from inside the body. Discard it. Rinse the body very well inside and out and strip off the purplish black membrane, discarding it as you go. It can clog the sink, so best to put it into the bin or a bowl immediately. To stuff squid, spoon stuffing into the body, but not too much, as the stuffing will probably swell and the squid will shrink as it bakes. Secure the stuffing by closing the opening with a poultry pin. Arrange stuffed squid and tentacles into an oiled oven-proof dish and pour over some tomato juice or fish broth. Bake in a moderate oven for about 45 minutes. To make rings, cut off a thin slice from the body and discard this tough bit. Then slice through the body and the wings into thin rings. Cut tentacles into smaller lengths. Toss rings and tentacles in a paper bag with seasoned flour. Shake off excess and fry quickly in plenty of extra virgin olive oil. Drain very well and eat at once.